Alright, MTFers, this is my Toro 824 XL snowblower. This will be my submission for the cold start contest. It's been sitting since about probably February, I think was the last time we used it, maybe a little bit longer, roughly 10 months or so. As you can see, it's got a nice layer of dust going on, so it's been sitting a long time. I don't even know if it has gas in it. So I just moved our kindling bins, and we're gonna pull it out here real quick and see what's up. Okay, I don't know if it has gas in it. It does. Okay, then we'll take it outside and crank it up. I'll do manual pulls so it's easier to keep track, even though it does have the electric start feature. Alright, I'm going to throw key in it, turn it to run. Today is October 24th, it's about 50 degrees out. Key on, choke on, full throttle. Give it some generous priming. I think it's got a fuel shut off. Appears to be in the on position. Keep priming it. Oh yep, leaking fuel. It's got gas. There you go, first pull, 10 months or so. The only thing I forgot to do was touch the muffler when it was cold. But there you go, it's a Toro 824 XL power throw with a Tecumseh engine on it. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if it's a Snow King or if it's just a regular HM80 or something like that, but it's an 8 horsepower. And that's pretty much how it starts every single time. It's got the electric start, but there's no need for it. So one pull, I guess that's going to be tough to beat. There you go, thanks for watching.